Hello and welcome back to another episode of Business Partner. Today we are going to talk about the role of management in a business. Management is very important because it helps a business run smoothly and achieve its goals. Managers do many different things to make sure everything is on track, and we will look at 5 main tasks: planning, organizing, coordinating, commanding, and controlling. First, let's talk about planning. Planning is about setting goals for the business and deciding how to achieve them. For example, imagine a new cafe that wants to attract 200 customers every day. The owner would plan how to do this by deciding on the menu, pricing, and advertising. Planning helps the business know what steps to follow and prepares it for the future. Next is organizing. Once the plans are made, organizing involves arranging the resources needed to implement these plans. In our cafe example, this means hiring staff, buying equipment, and arranging the seating. Organizing makes sure everything and everyone are in the right place and ready to work towards the goals. The third task is coordinating. This is about making sure all parts of the business work well together. For instance, the manager might coordinate the kitchen staff with the waiters so the food is prepared and served on time. Good coordination keeps work smooth and prevents mistakes or delays. The fourth task is commanding or leading. This involves giving instructions and motivating employees to do their best. A manager in our cafe might encourage staff to provide friendly service or motivate them to work efficiently during busy times. Good leadership helps employees stay focused and work happily. Lastly, there is controlling. Controlling means monitoring what is happening and checking if the plans are working. If the cafe notices that only 150 customers are coming each day, the manager can check what is causing this and make improvements, like offering special discounts. Controlling helps the business stay on track and fix problems early. In summary, management is about planning the future, organizing resources, coordinating activities, leading people, and checking progress. All these tasks help a business grow, succeed, and serve customer well. Understanding these functions will give you a clear idea of what managers do day to day in real life businesses.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.